Hey, what's up? We're talking about care labels now. You know, care labels? Those labels you see on the back of clothes so you don't, like, destroy them? We'll start with washing. Now, there's more to washing stuff than just, oh, you separate the whites from the reds and stuff. No, there's more to it than that. You see, some natural fabrics, take wool or silk for instance, are more delicate than others, like undyed cotton, and as such are washed at a colder temperature. Thankfully, we don't need to remember all this, actually, because the care label says all this for us. All you need to remember is what the symbols mean. Washing is denoted by a basin. The number in the basin is the temperature you wash it at, and the bar underneath the basin represents wash action, or spin speed. A full bar means you give it a medium wash and a short spin, while a broken bar denotes the lowest wash action possible, and a wool cycle spin. Beside all that, you might find this one, which pretty obvious what that means. And also this one, which, again, come on. Am I missing any? You might also see these from time to time. Again, you know what they mean by looking at them. Hopefully. Also, by the way, there are symbols for washing, ironing, drying, bleaching, and dry cleaning, so if you're feeling overwhelmed, stop it. Keep in mind that the ones you only really need to worry about are washing, drying, and maybe ironing, and they're easy enough to remember. Anyhow, on to drying. Now, as opposed to some basin, you'll find all the drying symbols in a square. Square's empty, just dry it however you want. Curve your line, put it on the line. If the line is flat, you dry it flat. Bunch of vertical lines means you drip dry it. If there's a circle in the square, that means you tumble dry it, and if there's an X over it, then please just don't. You might also see this symbol. It doesn't come up all that much, it means you dry it in the shade, usually because sunlight will cause the thing to degrade through a process called, I never listened to science. I didn't miss any, did I? Alright, cool, on to ironing. This one is by far one of the most straightforward. You have your iron-shaped, shape, and in it you might have 1, 2, or 3 dots representing the temperature of the iron. Take a synthetic fabric like acrylic, which would be ironed on low because it would just melt otherwise. You might also find this symbol, which denotes whether you can steam the thing or not. Not much more to it than that, I'm afraid. Bleach. Good for stain removal and whitening. Oh my god, my head. This one's stupidly easy. With most fabrics don't, with some fabrics do, and maybe in some cases even you'll get this symbol. All this means is use a non-chlorine or oxygen-based bleach, so as not to turn your thing into garbage. That's all there is to it. Last one on the list is dry cleaning. Big X means don't, and the letter in the circle tells the dry cleaners what chemicals to pour into your soup. God, I need to lie down. Alright.